So there we go, we got our push mower here. There's two ways you can winterize this thing. The way I'm going to be doing it is I'm going to be removing all the gasoline from it. Or another way that's really good is you can put fuel stabilizer in it, but I'm going to be storing this in my basement, so I don't want it having any gas. It's kind of dangerous with the vents and everything, so let's get started. Alright, so there's the line going to the carburetor. I'm going to disconnect it from the carburetor side, it looks. Smooth this air filter out the way. Plastic stiff, it's so cold. There we go. Oh yeah. Gonna have to replace that. It's not too bad though. Alright, I'll bring you in closer. Alright, so there's the fuel line. So I'm going to use the fuel line as a nozzle. I'm going to get my container beside here so I can quickly pull the hose off and then put it into my container. But that's the carburetor right there. Underneath here, that's the carburetor drain. But I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be removing most of the fuel out of here. And then I'm just going to be starting the machine. Sorry, some dickhead just drove by. I'm going to start the machine to dry the carburetor 100%. Why I can't wait to get out of the city. Alright, I don't think this container is going to work very well for me. I have to find something a little bit more manageable. I'll be right back. I think I'm just going to use this old container. It's pretty broken, but I just need it to catch the gas. See, it's all busted up on here. Something like that. And just in case, I'm gonna have a funnel on hand. These funnels here, they usually have a mesh to stop junk from getting in there. I find they don't work very well, so I just cut them out. Okay, just in case. I got that. Alright, let's see if we can start getting this fuel line off. Alright. Probably bring you guys closer. Get it flat. I don't want to destroy this line. Okay, this is gonna go. Yeah, we'll get gas cut out. that's quick enough. Yep, that's it. That's it, that's all. Alright, let's put this out of the way. So we got a bit of gas around here, so I'm gonna quickly clean all this up, clean off the tailgate of my truck. But first I'm gonna reattach this line. Sure she's all the way on. You could drain the carburetor, but I have nothing to actually catch that, so that's why I'm just gonna start the engine and let it run until it dies. It's the same way I did with my big blower. I haven't actually taken the gas out of that one yet. There's a fuel shut off. I just shut it off, turned it on, let it run until she was empty. There we go. Clean it all up. Now that that's done, we can start it up. Let it run till the carburetor's empty. Fuel stabilizer is another way to go. I've used it in the past. It worked really well for my car. I had to leave the country for a few months, and I just put the recommended fuel stabilizer for the size of the tank, and it worked out fine. When I got better, it started right up, no problem. So there's another way you can go. Okay, let's get this thing started up. How long do you think it's gonna run? I've got my sophisticated lawn mowing tool. Only $500 on eBay. Alright, that should be good enough for now. I'll knock all this crap off and clean up. This is one piece of equipment that I will not be winterizing. The same with my chainsaw.